Guys, what's up? Guess who's back? What's up? It's Mark. Check it out. You're probably asking yourselves, man, where the hell have you been? It's been like 2 weeks and I haven't seen you. Well, check it out. I went on this planned trip that I've been psyched on going for about 6 months now. Went to Hatfield McCoy in West Virginia. Rode at a place, a tour called Crazy Mountain Cycles. If you get a chance, do it. Awesome experience. We did some crazy shit, climbed mountains like that high. I didn't take one of my trucks, by the way. I took my Maverick Turbo side by side. So anyways, with that said, let's move on with this truck. Check this out. This is a 2002 Ford F-150 Lariat, okay? Now here's the catch. It's a bone stock truck. I'm gonna show you in a second. Just by looking at it, the truck looks, for its age and the mileage, you would probably guess that it probably has about maybe 90,000 miles on it. Crazy thing is the truck has 190,000 miles on it. So with that said, let's go check it out. Boom! I said boom! I said boom! All right, so here we go. We'll start by the front, and guys, this is gonna be horrible for the next 2 weeks, so I'm gonna tell you why. The pollen is freaking insane. I don't want to scratch the truck because when you wipe something, it's contact between your hands and your paint. There's particles of dirt in between, and that's like sandpaper. It scratches the shit out of everything. So, why is my camera getting all black looking? Uh-oh, malfunction. Anyways, let's move on. Why is this doing that? All right, so there we go. The pollen is absolutely horrible. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's really bad. So here we go to the rest of the truck. It's a Triton V8 F-150. It's got the rain guards. It's got Husky floor liners on it. It's got I don't know what kind these are. These are True Timber XD seat covers, and the reason why is because it's got a little hate right here. It's got a little discrepancy right there. A little hate. Little hate on the seat. But anyways, power seats, power windows, power locks, power pedals, trailer brake. Really nice interior. You can see how clean it is. The guy kept extremely good care of this truck. Got a full exhaust on it, or full mufflers. 194,000 miles on this joker. Check that out. Ain't that some shit? So pretty crazy, a lot of miles, but I'm telling you, the truck runs and drives awesome. I drove it home quite a few times so far. I like it, I love it. Yeah, there you go. Scope it out. Oops, I forgot to put the floor liner down. Let's go put this floor liner on and we'll take it for a spin. Here's the rest of the truck. The truck has like brand new tires on it. Look at the nipples. It's got the F-road, it's got the FX4 off-road package. No bed liner, dual exhaust right here, you can see. So, a little dent in the tailgate. Tires are, like I said, tires are brand new. It's got a little bit of surface rust on the frame, but nothing compromising. Nothing compromising at all, guys. Front's really nice. I don't know why, I think my camera's showing up, the screen is showing up like solid black. I hope you guys can see this, and I hope it's got really good detail because it looks horrible on my screen. Here's this seat right here. A little bit of wear and kind of tear, kind of from age, just from age and stuff, you know. But overall, it's nice. Here's the back. And once again, my screen is black. I don't see a damn thing. There we go. I'll just put that there for the time being. All right. So, running boards, factory running boards, and I'll pop the hood. You guys can check it out. It's got a door key code right here, which is a super big help if you guys lock your keys in your door a lot. There's the VIN number. Focus, my son. There we go. So, there you have it. Pop the hood for you. It's hot as balls out here today, guys. This is the door jambs. I never buy anything with shitty door jambs. Once again, my screen's black. I got this new iPhone X. I hate it so far. You guys have the iPhone X, or what do you guys have? Because my phone's been malfunctioning, so I went ahead and said, fuck it. I just bought the iPhone X, 256 gigabyte top dog. Not the big ass one, but the one down from that. I don't like it. There's many things I don't know. The home button's gone. You have to swipe up and hold up a second time to delete your apps. Anywho, let's check out the engine. A few rock chips up front here. It's got the 5.4 liter Triton motor, like I said. K&N factory style air filter. Engine bay is extremely clean. And why isn't this camera focusing? See, I don't like this phone already. The whole video is just pissing me off. So there you have it, guys. If you got any questions, holler at me. My phone's pissing me off right now. It's not going the way I planned. So holler at me, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. I haven't been on here in a while. I apologize, but I'm telling you, I'm going to start coming up with some new videos and crazy shit. Stay tuned. Holler at me. Subscribe. Peace out.